I'm Andy Parkin, Managing Director of the multi-award-winning Speed Screed, and I'm here today to talk about which underfloor heating screed mix you need. When we talk about which underfloor heating screed mix, there are a number of factors that may influence your choice. Here, we set out to explore those options and recommend the most suitable products on the market. When looking at which product, we need to look at certain areas. Thermal conductivity. As we are dealing with an underfloor heating screed mix, thermal conductivity is an extremely important factor to consider. Exactly what is the definition of thermal conductivity? It is the rate at which heat passes through a specified material expressed as the amount of heat that flows per unit time through a unit area with a temperature gradient of 1 degree per unit distance. Flowing screeds have a higher density and therefore lend themselves to greater thermal conductivity. You may wish to consider the following products to achieve the maximum efficiency: Givlon Thermio Plus, Gypsol HTC, Topflow Screed C Bellatex. The benefits include high thermal conductivity, high thermal diffusion for faster heating, and thinner screeds. Fast drying. Now that is one major consideration when choosing which underfloor heating screed mix, is exactly how quickly does it dry so I can lay my floor coverings. Here we have a number of fast drying options suitable for underfloor heating use. Liquid screed, that's the fast drying cementitious Bellatex. That would be between 14 and 21 days. Hydraulic binder, fast drying screed, that's 1 day for ceramics, 5 days for resilience. Mappy screed 704, that's 7 days for ceramics, 14 days for resilient. Retinal extreme, that's 2 days for ceramics and 3 days for resilience. Foot trafficking. Exactly how soon can you walk on the best underfloor heating screed? If your program is tight, this might be an important consideration. So below is a section of screeds that allow for early foot traffic. Kerasem Eco, 8 hours. Topsem, only 12 hours. Retinal Extreme, only 24 hours. Calcium sulfate screed, 24 to 48 hours. If early loading of the screed is required, bearing in mind most screeds achieve their design strength at 28 days, products like Retinal Extreme have amazing early strength. Screed minimum thickness. If available screed depth is an issue, then a thin one might be the best option. Here we have a selection. Gypsol HTC, only 20mm coverage of the pipes. Givlon Thermio, again 20mm coverage of those pipes. Topflow Screed C Bellatex, 30mm coverage of the pipes. Retinal Extreme, 30mm coverage of the pipes. And that's the coverage of the pipes, so don't forget to allow for the pipes themselves. I hope this has been helpful. If you have any further questions, please get in touch.